mango flavored tea. It's really very interesting. The mango flavored tea they have a orange flavor, they have a strawberry flavor. There's so many flavors, and this is the finest tea. It's called white tea. It's 900 rupees for 100 grams. Very Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nomadic Girl Riti, and today I am in Ooty, and 2 days I am going to stay in Ooty and Coonoor. The day starting with the Ooty, and this is the place I came for the tea factory. It's very famous tea factory, so we will go first. But I was opposite to that, there is an adventurous place was there. So there was a ropeway and another sport walk was there, but as my camera is not like fit for this places, so I'm not going because I don't want to take any risk with my camera. So let's go to the tea factory, and if you're liking my videos, please do like, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned. So guys, right now I'm going to inside of this tea factory. It's very famous tea factory in Ooty. So this is the entry process. So let's go over there. Let's see what are the charges for the entry. Let's go. So guys, yeah, so this is the process area for the tea factory, and we are going inside right now, and they are charging 10 rupees entry fee. And let me go inside and see the entire process of tea factory. And from here it's very beautiful view, you can see. So, how much it charge?
10 rupees.
10 rupees. What's your name? Your name?
Hatiniraj.
Sorry?
Hatiniraj.
Hatiniraj. Okay. Okay, so I want one ticket. Okay. So, I'm going to take my ticket. I got my 10 rupees of ticket. It's a 10 rupees entry fee for this tea factory, and the entire process for the making of tea we can see over there. And I can get that that smell, that aroma of tea. That is not exactly the tea aroma. It is something like some green tea kind of aroma I'm getting here. It's so good. So let me go inside. So these all are the history of tea. it was the entire process for this tea, and now I'm going to have one cup of tea. Thank you. At last I got 1 cup of tea, so that's good. So here is different kind of teas. There's lemon tea, green tea, masala tea, white tea, black tea. So there is several kind of teas there. So let me go and ask something about the tea. So they are standing. Ma'am, Jayanti, can you please remove them so my sound will come properly? Yeah. So you are working with this tea factory?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you please tell me how the varieties of tea available in your factory?
Our factory only totally 15 items.
15 items.
50.
50 items. Okay, these are the teas available in this factory. And what is about this tea?
This is the flavor, jasmine flavor I have. Huh?
Okay, flavor tea is also
Jasmine
available.
Flavor, strawberry flavor, mango flavor, orange flavor.
One thing. Can you imagine? This is the mango flavor tea. I've never seen the mango flavor tea. It's really interesting. And this is orange.
Yeah.
This is a strawberry. That's
Jasmine flavor.
jasmine flavor. Oh, that's great.
This one white tea. This one
White tea.
This is the natural handmade tea. This
Oh.
is the number 1 quality.
Okay, number 1. What is the price for this?
This is 900 rupees.
900 rupees for
100 grams.
100 grams for the 900 rupees. So I have never seen in my life the mango flavored tea. It's really very interesting. The mango flavored tea they have a orange flavor, they have a strawberry flavor. There's so many flavors, and this is the finest tea. It's called white tea. It's 900 rupees for 100 grams. Very costly. In the same factory, they have a varieties of chocolates. Okay, so Ooty is known for the tea and chocolates events, right? So let me see the varieties of chocolates. Let's come with me. I'm getting the flavor of the chocolates. Okay, so these all are the chocolates available here.